Unlock your creative vision and transform ideas into stunning visuals with Nano Banana's powerful AI image generation. Today, we're diving deep into how to harness this incredible tool. Starting with the art of the prompt, think of your prompt as your artistic instruction manual for the AI to get the best results. Be descriptive and specific. Instead of a cat, try a majestic Siamese cat with piercing blue eyes, sitting regally on a velvet cushion in a sunlit library. Notice the difference. The more detail you provide about the subject, its pose, its environment, and the mood you want to convey, the closer the AI will get to your intended outcome. Beyond the prompt, style selection is key. Nano Banana often offers a range of artistic styles, from photorealistic to impressionistic, comic book, or even abstract. Experiment with these options to find the perfect aesthetic for your project. For instance, a fantastical creature might benefit from a painterly, storybook style, while a product concept might need a clean, photorealistic approach. Once you have your initial image, customization is where you truly make it your own. Many platforms allow you to fine-tune details like color saturation, contrast, and even specific elements. Want to adjust the intensity of that sunset orange or sharpen the focus on a particular character. These small adjustments can dramatically enhance the visual impact and uniqueness of your creation. The applications are limitless, whether you're designing marketing materials, illustrating a story, or simply exploring your artistic side. Nano Banana empowers you to create truly unique and captivating visuals. Practice, experiment, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of your imagination. With a little practice and the right prompts, you'll be generating breathtaking AI images in no time. Start creating today.